Hello and welcome to the ShipRight app tutorial series from KlinKode. You can hide, sort, or rename shipping methods using ShipRight. In this video, we will show how to hide shipping based on customer email in Shopify. Let's open the ShipRight app. Click the Create Rule button. You will see several combinations here. Use the search box to find your specific conditions and see which combination contains it. In this video, we'll use the customer email condition. So first we'll search for customer email in the search bar and select it. Click Select Elite 1 combination to continue. After adding the customer email, you'll see a drop-down with several options. Exact match, domain match. Exact match. Hide shipping only if the customer's email exactly matches the email you entered. Domain match. Hide shipping if the customer's email belongs to the specified domain. For this example, we choose If Found and select the domain match, then enter the customer email klinkode.com. If you want to add multiple domains, add a comma after each domain and then enter the next one. Now, set a name for the rule. Finally, go to the Shipping Methods section and add the shipping method you want to hide. We will add free shipping should be hidden for the klinkode.com email domain. If the shipping method you want to hide is not in the list, you can add it manually. For example, DHL Express is not in my shipping list, so I will manually type DHL Express and click Add DHL Express to add it in the rule. Now click the Save button to apply your rule. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, free shipping is visible because the customer's email domain is not klinkode.com. Now, let's add an email with the klinkode.com domain and check again. As you can see, free shipping is now hidden because we added an email with the klinkode.com domain. That's it. This is how to hide shipping based on customer email. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the ShipRight app. Happy selling!